The mother of the 15-year-old who was allegedly raped by a doctor is speaking out this evening, saying she is living in fear. The doctor was reportedly working in Portmore, St. Catherine. As we hear from TVJ's Kirk Wright, the child and the family have been severely affected.
The mother, whose identity we cannot reveal, struggled to recount what she says was a horrifying experience for her daughter. The woman says late last month she took her 15-year-old daughter for medical attention and the doctor raped her in his office.
So, I said, "Oh, you know this?" She said, "Mommy," because I could feel him lying on me and breathing down on me. And every time I talk about this, I'm so angry. No, I needed to hear this from my baby. So I had to just, I had to brace myself for what she's gonna say. She said, he lied on her and he covered her eyes because he realized at some point in time that she was like semi-conscious. She said he kissed her and he was choking her at one point.
The 15-year-old, who was apparently sedated before the ordeal, told her mother she was still conscious.
She said, "Mommy, I could hear him pulling up his clothes and the belt buckle when he's putting on his belt."
The mother reported the incident to the police, who have listed the doctor a person of interest. They are still trying to find him, but the mother says not long after reporting the incident to the police, the doctor called her.
I left the station and maybe about an hour after I left, my phone rang. I answered it, and to my surprise, it was the doctor that was calling me.
She says she was astonished that the doctor could have called so soon and has concluded that he was tipped off, hence the reason he cannot be found.
Now, if it is a case where I go to the police, they are the only ones who knew of this. I went and I made my statement. I made a complaint of what is happening. No one else knew but the police. How would the doctor be calling me on my phone to tell me that he hears something? They called him. They called him. I have no trust in the police.
She says she had to make drastic changes in her life because there may be consequences for speaking out.
Since the news has been out and I've gotten calls that I'm to be careful because this doctor has done it already.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.